Sign the papers if you want to be a part of the cup team. I already did. Alright, boss. You're my boss. Alright, so you are my boss, bro? Yes, I'm the boss, and I got a lot of bodyguards. And yeah, we're finna break into the monster building, so be ready. And we have to defeat this Huggy Wuggy once and for all. I'm not playing, okay? Once and for all. I got it. With the I got my my Magnum knife with me. Nothing ain't gonna stop me. Yes, I love that. Puppy Playtime, why you mad? Someone is trying to set me up. I'm gonna fall for it and kill everyone. Puppy Playtime, please. Please. I will miss you. Puppy Playtime. Puppy Playtime. I love playing on your head. Puppy Playtime. Puppy Playtime. Get off of me, bro. Whoa. Whoa. Puppy Playtime. You ain't gotta do that, Puppy Playtime. I have to mess up the cars. It is time. Hey, Snow! No, get my friend! Hey, Huggy Wuggy, just get your anger out. Fine. It's time to break cars. Huggy Wuggy. Huggy Wuggy is so mad, he cannot even get in. Punk. Yeah, boy. Down. Oh, snap. Call the boss. He's here. Boom. Oh, snap. Huggy Wuggy is down there. They caught us. Looks like I got my tool with me. Nothing ain't gonna stop us. This is the expensive table. Why the heck would you do that, bro? You so dumb. You so dumb, I can't even stand your behind. Oh my gosh, you never hired me, but I hired you because you said you're stronger than Huggy Wuggy. And that better be true. Boss, if that's not true, can I shoot him? Yes. Oh, so y'all wanna play a game? What's up? Both of you guys versus me. Never mind. Just don't shoot him because he's gonna automatically dodge it and beat the heck out of you or probably kill you or something like that. Are you an eater? Oh, heck, Snoop. Oh, heck, Snoop. She lift me up. She lift me. She lift me up. Wait, that's a nice behind sword. Mind if I use that, bro? Sure. I got another one anyway. You know what? No, you're not using this. I can have this one. You might as well just use something else. Something like that. Alright, let's play a game of throwing or something. So let's see who can get the knife. Man, I'm not playing no game. I'm a businessman. I'm the king of everything. Now give me that sword right now. Fine, boss. I'll give you it. I always want the stuff that people make. It's not fair. Life ain't fair. Get used to it, bum. No, I got the sword. Hey, what does that mean? What does that mean? I'm gonna kill you now, cause I'm powerful with the sword, right? The sword is powerful, but you gotta kill me. Listen here. This is the one last thing I gotta tell you, boy. It's not. You gotta die now. Gotta make sure this man's dead. Yeah, boss, I'm really happy that man is dead because he likes to do so much. He said he was stronger than Huggy Wuggy. What the heck are we gonna do now, bro? We're gonna die. We're gonna really die, bro. For real, no cap. You know what? Can you fire me for a second? Just stuff off my neck. Get off of me. Well, it's time to get reloaded. I'm about to go down there and pop that man. Get my life over with. Hey, big bumhead. Oh no! Huggy Wuggy, stop doing this! You can stop! Huggy Wuggy, you can stop doing this, bro. Just stop. They need to pay for what they did to me. Remember last time? Yeah, I get it, but you need to stop because the police ain't did that to you. Only the other monsters did, remember? So you gotta stop what you're doing right now. And you gotta pay attention to my heart instead of my head. You found another one, but I'm the better one. I won't let you forget me. You make my heart break. You make my heart break. I'm sorry. I know that you want me dead. No, I don't, dude. Just chill. I make prescriptions to make me feel bad. Okay, I know that it's all in my head. Bruh. Stop, bro. You did it over again. I didn't want it to end. I said, oh my god, I should have listened to my friends while you keep on asking me until like a passing me. Who don't forget me, fit. You don't missing the past, fit. Who don't missing to the prettiest fist. Hello with the yeah. Boy, your breath smell like sweaty gas war. Your breath smell like swore ball head. Yeah, it's about the prettiest fish. Okay, dude, you can stop, bro. But I still got my mad face on because I'm still mad and stuff. Oh, hey, kill this man. Oh, 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 dude, oh, Please, please, please. I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to. You paid for the price. You hear me? You paid for the price. I'm sorry. Oh, heck no. You're dead now. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. You're dead now. That's my friend. I need monkey time.